Jai Hind candidates. I'm Wing Commander Mukesh Tiwari, ex-senior psychologist in Air Force Selection Board, Dehradun, and I was also there in Varanasi. As you all know that I have been covering, giving lectures on SSB classes. Okay, the requirements for you all before you go for your SSB. आज जो मैं आज के साथ टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं जिसको कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स कहते हैं. ऑल्दो दिस इज नॉट डायरेक्टली रिलेवेंट विद योर एसएसबी पार्ट, बट येस इट इज अ स्किल, it is a requirement which you should possess, and it is going to give you good returns if you are able to develop your soft skills. Okay, now what are skills? Skills को हम दो भाग में डिवाइड करते हैं. All of you know there are hard skills and there are soft skills. Okay, now what is hard skill? Hard skills are the teachable and the measurable abilities जो कि आपने अपने कॉलेज में, अपने स्कूल में जो आपको टीच की जाती हैं और जिसका कि कोई मेजर होता है. ओके, कि आपके अंदर कितनी ज़्यादा वो क्वालिटीज़ हैं. दे आर हार्ड स्किल्स. ओके, whereas soft skills are the traits that make you a good employee, like your etiquettes, like your communication ability, like your listening ability. All these comes under soft skills, and soft skills are very important for you to become a successful person in life. Okay, so although it is not directly involved in SSB, but yes, अगर आपके अंदर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं और अगर आप उनको अच्छी तरीके से यूटिलाइज करेंगे तो आपको एसएसबी में भी बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा होगा. राइट. So what are soft skills? Okay, soft skills are, it's a cluster of personality traits, social graces, ability with language, personal habits, friendliness, and optimism that mark people to varying degrees. Okay, now when I say cluster of personality traits, okay, so as you all know that when you go to SSB, what is checked? Your personality, your officer like qualities, okay, your traits, whether you have personality traits of becoming an armed forces officer or not. Okay, and social graces, ability with language. Ability with language is your power of expression, जिसको कि हम OLQ के लैंग्वेज में पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन कहते हैं. योर पर्सनल हैबिट्स. ओके, ये सोशल ग्रेसेस आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ योर सोशल एडजस्टमेंट वाली. ओके, जिसमें कि सोशल अडेप्टेबिलिटी. फ्रेंडलीनेस इज योर कोऑपरेशन. ऑप्टिमिज्म इज दैट liveliness and the determination part. Okay, all these things form a part of your soft skill. Okay, so soft skills complement hard skills, यानी कि सॉफ्ट स्किल और हार्ड स्किल दोनों का एक अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन will make you a successful person. Okay, so hard skills are the requirement, technical requirement for the job, and soft skills are the requirement to make you become a successful person. So skills like communication, okay, time management, confidence, public speaking, cooperation, amongst others, are known as soft skills. Okay, so try and develop these skills as much as you can. Okay, try and develop a good communication skill. Have a proper time management. Okay, you will have to plan it out. Okay, build up confidence in yourself. Once you have this confidence, this belief in yourself, okay, public speaking, by speaking more and more in front of others, okay, this will also boost up your confidence. A good public speaker has got good confidence in himself. Okay, so your confidence is going to increase, your communication abilities are going to increase. Okay, and this will help you out in your SSB. Okay, cooperation amongst others are known as soft skills. Okay, all these things have got a direct bearing on the officer like qualities which are being checked in SSB. To be flexible enough in order to adapt the changing needs of an organization is also a part of soft skill, as it helps students to collaborate with others and influence situation through lateral and more creative thinking. Okay, flexibility, as you know, forms a part of your personality traits. So you should be having the quality of adapting yourself with the changing needs of the organization. Okay, जैसा जैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में चेंजेस आते रहते हैं उस हिसाब से आपको आपके अंदर ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप उन सारी चेंजेस को अच्छी तरीके से अपने आपको उनके साथ उसके अनुसार अडेप्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, if you are unable to adapt, then you will not be able to fulfill your requirement in an organization in a proper manner, right? So you don't have to be rigid. As I told you, a good personality doesn't have this rigidness. You should be open to adapt yourself to the changing requirements. Okay, soft skill include everything that relates to a group, an individual, or an organization in relation to interpersonal behavior, job performance, interaction, and working in a team. Okay, so your interpersonal behavior, okay, your job performance, your interaction, and working as a team member also forms a part of your soft skill. Okay, so when you go to SSB also, your interpersonal behavior will be checked as a part of your social adaptability. Okay, your job performance will be checked as a part of your planning and organizing the activities which has been given to you. Okay, your interaction and working in a team will be checked in cooperation, in as a team member towards the achievement of the goal for which you have been set or which has been given to you all. Soft skills are all about projecting one's professional skill at its best. Okay, so while you are having the professional skills, you should be having soft skills also to achieve your professional skills at its best. Okay, soft skills are often intangible and therefore not easily taught. Okay, intangible means which cannot be touched upon or which cannot be measured. Okay, these are intangible qualities. Okay, and this you all learn during the tenure of the course. Okay, influencing skills, interpersonal communication, team management, time management, delegating, appraising, presenting skills, motivating skills, ability to deal with ambiguity and respond to uncertainty, adaptability, flexibility, and inclination to learn. Okay, all these qualities you should be learning or trying to learn now. ये सारी की सारी क्वालिटीज आपको अपने अंदर डेवलप करनी है. ओके, तो जैसे जैसे हम लोग अपना कोर्स आगे बढ़ाते जाएंगे, you should be trying to develop a good influencing skill. Okay, influencing skill आप कैसे develop करेंगे? By reading more, by giving ideas to your team members which are logical, which have got some rationale behind it, so that your team members get influenced by whatever you are saying. Okay, and this will be having a direct bearing on ability to influence the group. That trait will be covered by your influencing skill. Interpersonal communication deals with your social adaptability, social adjustment, as well as your power of expression. Team management also forms a part of your social adjustment qualities, that is cooperation. Time management, delegating, appraising. Okay, you have to delegate the work to your team members. Okay, and this you should do by properly appraising the qualities of each and every individual. Okay, know the qualities by your you should be having the quality जिससे कि आपको ये पता चल जाए कि किस कैंडिडेट में कौन सी अच्छे गुण हैं जिसको कि आप अच्छी तरीके से यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो। ओके, अगर कोई हैवी बिल्ट वाला बंदा है आपके साथ, मान लीजिए जिसका कि बिल्ट हैवी है, तो आप उसको लोड उठाने में या जहां पे फिजिकल पावर की जरूरत है वहां पे यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई दुबला पतला है तो जहां पे एजिलिटी ज्यादा चाहिए हो, यानी कि जहां पे कोई स्विंग करके आगे जा सकता है या मंकी क्रॉल करके आगे जा सकता है, वहां पे आपको यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए। ओके, सो डेलीगेट अकॉर्डिंगली एज पर द स्किल ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल। मोटिवेटिंग स्किल्स। ओके, जब भी आप कहीं पे फंस रहे हैं, कहीं पे भी आपका काम रुक रहा है, ओके, एंड द ग्रुप इज नॉट गेटिंग आइडिया कि कैसे अब आगे हम बढ़ें, यू शुड हैव दिस मोटिवेशन काइंड ऑफ स्किल, जिसमें कि यू शुड मोटिवेट देम। ओके, नॉट ओनली योरसेल्फ बट मोटिवेट योर टीम मेंबर्स कि यस वी कैन डू इट। ओके, लेफ्ट सीधे वाला अप्रोच हमारा काम नहीं कर रहा, लेट्स ट्राई एंड टेक एन अप्रोच फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड और ट्राई एंड टेक एन अप्रोच फ्रॉम राइट साइड, द रिजल्ट विल कम। एबिलिटी टू डील विद एम्बिग्विटी, यानी कि जहां पे भी कोई कंफ्यूजन है, जहां पे भी कोई एम्बिग्विटी है, उसको आप अच्छी तरीके से डील कर पाने की आप में कैपेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए। रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू अनसर्टेनिटी, अडेप्टेबिलिटी, flexibility and inclination to learn. Inclination to learn shows that how good an attitude you have, whether your attitude is open to learning or you are rigid and you think that you know everything. So this approach will never work. Your attitude should be open to learning at all the given time. Okay, especially in SSB, यू लर्न विद ईच एंड एवरी टास्क। जो भी टास्क आप करते हैं उससे आपको कोई ना कोई लर्निंग वैल्यू लेनी चाहिए। ओके, अगर आप जीटीओ टास्क कर रहे हैं तो पीजीटी का फर्स्ट टास्क आपने किया, लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम इट एंड अप्लाई इट इन द सेकेंड टास्क। ओके, सेकेंड टास्क में कुछ लर्न किया आपने, अप्लाई इट इन थर्ड टास्क, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी पासिंग टास्क विल गिव यू समथिंग टू लर्न एंड दिस you will have to utilize in subsequent tasks. Now, why soft skills are necessary? Soft skill helps to improve your career. Okay, great interpersonal skills with your colleagues help you to deliver results and improve your productivity. Okay, so when you will get into armed forces, this soft skill, this interpersonal skill will help you to go ahead in your career. Okay, with your colleagues help, you will be able to deliver results and improve the productivity. Okay, so you will be able to achieve the aim which has been given to you with the help of your colleagues in a proper manner. Soft skills create opportunities. Okay, soft skills are helpful in taking advantage of opportunities that come in your way. Soft skills help to create and cultivate opportunity. Keeping the right perspective is one's value. Okay, so it will help you in making the best of the opportunities which are coming in your way. Okay, and remember, opportunity comes only once. Okay, if you are able to utilize that, grab that opportunity, you will become a successful person. And if you fail to do that, then of course the results will be negative. Soft skills help in advancement in career. Okay, so even when you will become an armed forces officer, if you communicate well with the colleagues, if one interacts with people in a better manner, his performance tends to improve, leading him to opportunity and more responsibility. Okay, so it will help you in climbing the ladder. Okay, the ladder towards the success. Okay, soft skills offer personal growth. Possession of soft skills empowers an individual to build flexibility in his career plan. Key skills that make a difference include communication, leadership, teamwork, and problem solving. Okay, these are the key skills, and these skills makes a difference between a person who excels or a person who lags behind. Okay, so if you have the quality of communication, if you have the quality of a good leadership, if you have the quality of teamwork and problem solving, then your personal growth will be very fast. Soft skills contribute to the success of an organization. Okay, so you improve, the organization also improves or grows. Soft skills are equally important as hard skills. I have already told you, soft skills empowers you to efficiently and effectively deal with the people or group. Okay, two words, efficiently and effectively. Okay, so your dealing with the people should not be a regular or a routine kind of a dealing. It should be an efficient dealing and an effective dealing, which is producing some output, which is giving some result. Soft skills help in effectively and efficiently managing diverse teams, workforce, and building communication gap, building healthy relationship in present competitive world. Okay, intense competition, candidates armed with hard skills and effectively soft skills wins. Okay, so if you are having a good combination of hard skills as well as soft skills, you are bound to become a successful person. Soft skills are most essential for establishing good interpersonal relationship and rapport, public image in society, workplace, and home. Soft skills empowers an individual to successfully deal with the situation and people and take successful decisions. Okay, so decision making capability also comes up with your soft skills. Okay, why? Because if you have that confidence in yourself, if you have that kind of a decision making capability, okay, you will take good decisions and you will become a successful person. Okay, soft skills helps in personal development and well-being and assist in management of relationships at home and also at workplace. So soft skills are not only required in your workplace, in your organizational activities, it is also required in your home also. So to wind up, I will just go with a quote. We choose our joys and sorrows long before we experience them. Okay, so you have to plan it out now. Okay, the way you work, the way you prepare now, this will have a effect after some time. Okay, so you plan your joys, you plan your sorrows now only before you are going to experience them. Thank you, candidates. I think that whatever I have covered just now in the presentation as well as in my briefing, okay, if you are able to develop these skills well before you go for SSB, the success is bound to come to you. Okay, आप ज़रूर और ज़रूर सक्सेसफुल होंगे. Okay, और जो आपका सपना है रिकमेंडेशन होने का SSB में, वो अपने हार्ड स्किल्स के साथ अपने सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को भी आप डेवलप कर लें तो वो आसानी से आप उसको पा पाएंगे. Okay, I hope this presentation makes an impact on you. Okay, learn from it. Okay, try and develop as much as you can and you will become a successful person. Thank you. And if you have gained anything or if you liked my video, please subscribe it, please share it, please like it, and let the others also benefit from you or from the presentation like you are experiencing it. Okay, thank you, candidates.